So to recap here, we have activities of design led by designers, and we have activities of pre-construction led by builders. And then the area in the middle is where they are expected to collaborate. And examples here would be the development of the design itself, whether it's bringing in an expert in the mechanical trade partner, for instance, to help design the system for cooling in a building, or to help define the zones. To not have that be an engineer, a design engineer, making that judgment, but rather the builder who will put that work in place. So that obviously does require an investment. That is one of the challenges. Owners can see this, the pre-con and design costing as much as twice as much as it would on a typical delivery project. The big secret is, though, that when you get here to production, because you've been designing how to put that work in place, not designing the building, but designing how to put the building in place, you save money on change orders like nobody's business, and you tend to also shorten the duration. So the contingency doesn't get spent on extended schedule, rework, or other things that all of us have struggled with on various projects. The challenges are to get people to open up and be willing to do this. It can be very difficult if you've had a successful career to be called in and to say, hey, you know the way you've done it, that's been successful, that's paid for vacations and is sending kids to college, we want you to do something different. That can be really hard. And the truth is, not everybody can immediately jump in with both feet here and be able to do this successfully. So that's definitely a challenge, the people management. What we also find on the build side is that a lot of builders have no idea how hard it is to get an owner to come to consensus around a design. And so they often end up being a bit wide-eyed about how hard it can be, not knowing what architects have typically gone through and the iteration and just kind of getting beat up around things before you finally find the right thing. So we need to focus so much on the people aspect of getting people to trust each other and be willing to put forth work and to be vulnerable, and then to finally be rewarded for that.